This video will explain how you can make money notarizing documents in healthcare facilities and hospitals. Notarizing healthcare documents can earn you up to $100 in less than an hour. In many cases, hospitals and facilities don't allow their staff to notarize or serve as a witness for these documents, which is why a notary is required. Some of the common documents you'll see are power of attorney, advance directive, facility forms, deeds, and trusts. As a notary, your job is to make sure the signer understands the forms and its purpose. Similar to other notary work, your role is to point where to sign and ask questions as written on the form. These types of notarizations can be as quick as 15 minutes to an hour, and can earn you from $60 to $100 depending on services provided. You can charge your clients your notarial fee, travel fee, and time it takes to complete the form. This can include helping complete the forms and reading the questions for seniors who are visually impaired. Every senior care, hospital, and healthcare facility in America need a notary to process their healthcare forms on a daily basis, which is a great opportunity for you to diversify your notary business and increase your income. To learn more about healthcare notarizations and how you can increase your income, click the link below.